RocRod needs a new motor. What are we gonna do? lsswap supercharged 3.8 or a 3.4?
All right, we're here after doing a little snow wheeling. Got a little noise in the top end. We're gonna see what's wrong with it. See if we got distributor problem, timing problem, or we just burn a valve or something. We'll see here in a bit. All right, we pulled the distributor cap off. We'll check and see if we burned up anything in here. What's she look like, Bradley?
Oh, I can't get it unplugged.
Typical Bradley thing, making a project out of everything. What do we look like in there? Well, don't look too bad, does it?
No.
Any of them burning though? Well, we didn't find nothing going on with the cap and the rotor. So we're gonna try and check the timing belt in here. Be our next step. We'll let you know what we find. Pull the cover off to check out the timing belt. A little bit of cracks on it. Maybe it's weak.
Looks like a crack whore from San Francisco.
Next, we're gonna line up the timing marks. Well, the timing marks all line up. The belt's not in the best shape, but I don't think that's the problem. So we're gonna do a compression check on it. See what kind of compression we got. It's our next step. Okay, we're checking the compression now on the cylinder we think has the problem. All right. Looks like we're running pretty good compression. We're running about 130. We'll check the other two cylinders and go from there. Another thing too is don't leave the ratchet on the bottom pulley when you turn the motor over. It makes a hell of a noise. All right, now we're trying number 4 cylinder. We just did number 6. Now we're gonna do cylinder 2. Let's see what we got going on here. Try out cylinder number 4 again, which was our low cylinder, and let's see what it's got. Yeah, we're not getting no more than 100 in that cylinder. Compression test the other side now, so we'll see how that works out for us. Okay, we're doing number 5 cylinder now. Let's see what that does. All right, we're trying cylinder 3 now. We're running almost 150 in this cylinder. All right, here we go on number 1 cylinder. Let's see what we're getting for compression. All right, well, we adjusted the timing to see if we get any more compression out of this number 1 cylinder here. Nope, we're still just a little over 100. Well, we're calling this 3.0 toast. We're either gonna put a 3.4 in it, or we're gonna put a 3.8 GM supercharged in it. We're not sure yet. We'll let you know. All right, we're going to get the donor vehicle. Got a little problem starting the Toyota crane up here. We'll get her going. All right, we're heading to go get our donor vehicle. There here in the backfield. Okay, this is our donor vehicle. So it's got the 3.4 in it. We'll see what we can do with it. All right, we're ready to jerk this thing out of here. See how this works. There it's going. Take 2. We're trying to steer this around. We're gonna see. Told him to give a little better tug this time. Uh-oh. Keep her running. Keep her running.
Running out of gas.
This ain't good. All right, we got some gas now. Let's see if it fires up. Oh yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. Could take a little bit here to get her going again. Oh yeah, yep, that mighty 4-cylinder. All right, Brad, let her eat. Well, we got her to fit. Right back in. Got the donor vehicle in the shop. Raggy's taking the sunroof out. You guys ready yet or what?
I feel like everything about this might be a little dangerous.
car wash to clean her up. Mando's taking all the fun. Back to the shop. Got ourselves an engine stand to put it on. I think putting the engine stands together is gonna be more work than putting the motor in the truck. Well, 2 hours later, I got the engine stand together. It's pretty cool. Just turn this, it turns the motor. Mando's over there ripping some stuff apart.
Why do I speak Mando?
What do you got in there?
Nothing.
Tell us about that plug.
Go away.
We're pulling the Tacoma with the Tacoma. See if the other Tacoma can pull this one out. Well, oops. See you later.
Another part for the RocRod. Not sure which part we'll use. Donor vehicle number 2.